Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering the HomePod Mini and bringing your iPhone close. This uses Bluetooth for the initial handshake. Once done, wait for the setup card to appear on your iPhone and tap Setup. It imports your Apple ID, Wi-Fi, and Siri preferences automatically. Make sure to select the room, enable personal requests only if you trust people nearby, and allow analytics if you want diagnostic help. This short path avoids manual entry and links the speaker to Home and iCloud smoothly. You now refine how the HomePod Mini behaves. Open the Home app to confirm room assignment, check for and install software updates, and add automations like play a morning playlist when an accessory triggers. Once in music settings, choose Apple Music or a linked service. This affects song availability. For clarity, enable Siri voice recognition so it recognizes different household voices. Also set intercom and handoff options so your calls and audio move seamlessly between devices. This reduces interruptions and tailors responses. You finish by testing essential commands and confirming automations run as expected. Ask Siri to play a playlist, control home accessories, and adjust timers. Make sure security settings reflect your comfort. Disable personal requests if guests use your home network, and avoid exposing home to an open guest network. If things go wrong, try one key troubleshooting step. Unplug the HomePod Mini for 10 seconds. Plug back in and hold the top surface to force a factory reset. Then repeat the setup from the first step to clear pairing issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.